How to move photos to SD card on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can actually move photos to your SD card on Android. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, let's say you have some of the photos, you don't have enough space on your internal storage, and now you want to move those photos to your SD card. So the very first and most important thing is to simply insert your SD card. In order to verify that, you can open up the File Manager application on your smartphone. So open up File Manager or My File, and you'll see the storage option. You can see internal storage, which is our device storage, and you can see SD card, and these are some of the cloud storage. So if you want to move our pictures from internal storage to SD card, what you have to do is open up internal storage. Now you have to actually know or locate the location where your pictures are stored to. In my case, mostly it will be set to the pictures tab over here. If I go to pictures, you can also see some of the folders which will be set automatically. So if I go ahead and select any of the pictures from this list, you can see some of the folders which I have. What I will do is I will go ahead and just simply long press on it. And once I long press on it, I can either copy them or I can either cut or move them. So if I copy them and paste them, then it is also going to be stored on my phone as well as on my memory card. But if I move them, it is going to be deleted from my phone and it is going to be set only to memory card. You can select the move option which you see. I will simply select copy in my case. Once I select copy, now what we will do is we will come back over here. And just like that, on this particular page, we will go to SD card. Now once we go to SD card, you can select where you want to paste your photos to. So if I go ahead and select pictures, let's see if I want to paste them here, I will simply select copy here. So once I select copy here, you can see all those photos have been moved to my SD card. I could also go ahead and then simply open them up, and then you could just go ahead and open it and view them as well. And these are some of the photos which are simply saved on my SD card. And this is how you can move photos from your internal storage or Android to your SD card. Not only photos, you can repeat the same process for any files, documents, or even videos and so on. And hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.